Remember, guys, smack that like button, leave a comment, click and subscribe. Any feedback will be appreciated. What's up, guys? Glad you all made it this far. And now we're gonna take it to the what I did after I created the image on Procreate and brought it in to Photoshop now. And the only reason I brought it into Photoshop was to do a precise outline around it. So I selected the image and I just put a stroke around it, deselect, and now I'm exporting it as PNG. And in order to bring it into Redbubble and create a sticker or a magnet, you definitely need a PNG file, right? And that's what I wanted to show you guys, because I just recently came across some information that stickers are the top sellers on Redbubble. So kind of been flowing in that direction and getting some stickers done. So let's upload this here, the BK Bridge. There we go. And that's going to be the title of it. BK Bridge. All right. And this right here. And the cool thing about Redbubble, when you bring it in as a PNG, it automatically disables majority of everything else. I think I'm going to enable a cap. Let's edit that. Let's get that. It does not look bad on the cap, so let's do that. But everything else, it really disables, and it definitely goes straight to the stickers and magnets. It's like you know, and posters usually, but everything else mainly be you know, it's disabled because of that PNG file that you brought in. And it's up to you to see if it looks good on anything else. That button is not bad at all, so I think I'm gonna take that button there. And this is another cool feature I want to show you guys here too, was getting your tags. Let's go here on the Redbubble. I brought that in the other. Let's go here. And stickers. You go to all stickers. And what could Brooklyn Bridge fall under? Okay, so let's go under trendy. And sports, music, animals, summer, culture. And up here show you some of the top searches in stickers. So I'm going to take these top searches and make that my tags. Our culture is here. Definitely movies. This bridge has been featured in many movies. You can put hobbies too. And you can only put 15 tags, but this is definitely a good place to start and see some of the top search tags. Add that to yours. And you know, see what happens. See if some money is being made, some money gets generated. You know, you drive some traffic. And there you have it, guys. I'm gonna finish out the tags, add a description, and you know, you just come down to the bottom after you are done with all that. You click the media, And that is a design illustration. It's digital art. There's no mature content. You agree to the terms, and then you save your work, and it is uploaded, ready to go. So there you have it, guys. I took you from the creation stages to editing and the final upload. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned till the next one. You all be good and be safe. Peace.